Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Lewote Christmas Ornament 30-piece set. Stay tuned for more details. Okay, on with the review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Lewote Christmas Ornament Set, 30 pieces. You can obtain these for less than $13 off of Amazon, and an affiliate link will be provided in the description down below. In this 30-piece set, you will receive 5 of each of the Christmas trees, the snowflakes, the snowmen, the jingle bells, the reindeer, and of course the round ornament. These are pre-sanded and they're ideal for just regular hangers. You can use them on packaging for tags. You can use them on embellishment, scrapbooking. They have a multitude of different uses you can use them for in crafts. These make great stocking stuffers, or you can hang them from stockings, miniature trees. You can put them on packages. There's a lot of uses for these. You can use them on your Christmas trees, your full-size Christmas trees, with the included hangers, and you can also do it with your children. So that would be a fun activity to do with your children. As I stated before, they do come with ribbons so you can hang them. Now if you want, you can leave them plain and not decorate them at all, or you can spend a little bit of time and decorate them so they come out looking halfway decent, and you can decorate anywhere you want with them. Now if you spend a little bit of time decorating these, which doesn't take long at all, with a little bit of glitter and a little bit of glue, you can create different combinations of colors, and they come out looking spectacular, whether they're on your Christmas tree or anywhere else for that matter. You can hang them from your Christmas lights around your room, and like I said, here's a few examples just to give you an idea of what you can do with these. And it doesn't take long to decorate these at all, and the end result comes out looking really good. It helps that these are pre-sanded and pre-finished for you. For less than $13, I don't think you can go wrong with these Christmas ornaments. I'm very happy that I purchased these. Now don't forget, Christmas is right around the corner, so if you're going to order these, now would be the time to do it. Well, that's the end of our video. I encourage you to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon, so that way you're notified of any future videos that we put out. Thank you for watching.